The market is becoming more complex, with more demands placed on manufacturers. Changes in legislation are demanding traceability codes to be added to packages before they can enter the supply chain. But mistakes can happen at any time, causing hassle and product waste, worst of all, a major recall. Nobody wants that. So let's look at how to prevent it. Hi, I'm Adem Kulauzovic, Director of Automation here at Domino. Believe it or not, labeling mistakes are the leading cause of product recalls globally. Product holds due to improper codes are one of the leading causes of downtime and waste. These costs can total up to $10 million per incident. To prevent that happening to our customers, we've invested into finding solutions that help make the coding process safer and prevent errors from happening. These solutions not only simplify product changeover, they also take unnecessary workloads off the operator's shoulders and enhance production line efficiency. Sound good? Then let me introduce you to our Domino Automation software. Using Domino Automation, you can create messages centrally and automatically pass them down to all Domino printers on your production line. So that correct message is applied to the right product every time, simplifying product changeovers and saving time without the need of manual intervention. Our label designer is a sleek, modern user interface that has a very similar look and feel to typical word processing software. This makes it simple, familiar, and easy to learn. Capabilities and features are tied to the specific printer family, providing you with all the available features and options under one click. You may be dealing with hundreds or even thousands of labels, each requiring considerable amount of time and effort to maintain. Domino Automation makes this much easier to manage. By connecting to your external database of products, you can reduce the many labels into just a handful of manageable templates. From here, you can pull the correct data and auto-populate your template with a simple selection from a list, or even easier, a scan of a barcode. Domino Automation is a modular system, providing you with the resiliency you need to adjust to your growth, changes in legislation, or customer demands. For example, you can move from message selection to a fully automated label deployment without any additional software. This provides the ability to automatically populate label templates using your current SCADA or ERP system to refocus operator intervention on critical tasks instead of the mundane tasks like label selection. We understand that manufacturers are reducing the number of operator interfaces on the plant floor. Through Domino Automation's thin client design, you can consolidate all the interfaces into one existing HMI with a simple web interface. With Active Directory integration, access levels can be set to only authorized users using existing login credentials. This allows you to securely share processes and data across your entire plant. Full message control, reduced library, and simplified label creation are the ingredients to less waste, higher efficiency, and more productivity on your plant floor or even across facilities. Just imagine the impact on your overall factory performance. Through our partnerships with Beckhoff and Rockwell Automation, we also have capabilities of direct PLC control and data monitoring through field bus standards like EtherCAT and Ethernet IP, allowing for historical data and real-time monitoring right at the plant floor. At Domino, we are about making your life easier while improving your production efficiency. Using automation software ensures you make the most of your Domino printers. Come speak to one of our experts to find out more on how Domino can partner with you on your journey to improved efficiency and zero waste.